In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Gmail accounts. Before we begin, an important note. You can't truly merge two Gmail accounts into one login. Google doesn't allow real account merging. What you can do, and what I'll show you, is a reliable workaround that routes mail from an older or secondary Gmail into your main inbox, so everything lands in one place going forward. Start by signing into the Gmail account you consider secondary, often the older one you're moving away from. Once you're in that inbox, look to the top right for the gear icon. Click it to open Settings, then choose See All Settings so you can access every option you need in one view. Inside the full settings page, find the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. This is where Gmail controls mail routing. At the top of that section, click Add Forwarding Address. A small window will appear asking where to send new mail. Type your primary Gmail address, the one you actually want to use day to day, then confirm by clicking Next, and continue when asked. Gmail now needs you to verify that you own the primary address. Open your primary Gmail in a new tab or window and look for the confirmation message from Gmail. It should arrive within a few seconds. Open that email and click the confirmation link inside to approve forwarding. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check categories like updates or spam just in case. After you've confirmed, go back to your secondary Gmail settings tab. If needed, refresh the page so Gmail recognizes the verification. In the Forwarding and POP IMAP section, enable forwarding by selecting Forward a copy of incoming mail. This tells Gmail to automatically send any new message that hits your secondary account straight to your primary inbox, while also keeping a copy in the secondary account. From here, new emails that arrive at the old address will appear in your main Gmail, so you won't have to check two inboxes. This setup only affects messages that come in after you turn it on. It won't move older emails automatically. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings to turn forwarding off. That's it. By setting up forwarding from the older inbox, you've effectively combined your email flow without changing logins or passwords. It's simple, reversible, and keeps your communication centralized so you can focus on one primary Gmail moving forward.